Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to find message request on Instagram in 2021. So if you guys like this kind of video, then be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we post content like this. So let's get with the video. So for this, download Instagram and open Instagram and log into Instagram as well. And once you open the Instagram, at the top right corner there's a message icon. Click on it, and as you guys can see below my search bar, there's primary, general, and one request. So between this, click on one request, and as you guys can see, it's my other account from which I sent myself a message request. So as you guys can see, this is how you see a message request. Now you can choose whether you want to accept, block, or delete. If you click on accept, then you can see his messages more oftenly, and if you click on delete, then his message will be deleted, and if you click on block, then he cannot message you again in the future. So yeah, that's the function. But to receive a message request, you need to have a public account. If you have a private account, then you cannot receive a message request. So you'll only receive message request in Instagram if you have a public account, and I received a message request because this is my public account. So that's simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.